Yes, today we are going to start division of decimal exercise 3D. Division is very easy, don't worry, particularly if we are interested to divide 10 or multiples of 10, we don't need to actual division. To do actual division, for example, 131.6 by 10. We have to divide this by 10. We write here 131.6 divided by 10. If there is only 10 or multiples of 10, then we shift the decimal according to number of zeros on 1. Here there is 1 0. Therefore, this decimal will shift 1 digit more. Therefore, now the point will be here. And I have written here 13.16. आंसर हो गया. Similarly here 4.38 divided by 10. This point will shift here. 10 point will shift 1 digit more. Therefore, answer will be 0.438. Similarly here there is 0.062 by 10. Point will, now there is no digit, therefore we increase 1 0 more, and here 0062 will be answer. 3 digit hai after digit. Now due to this 10 there will be 4 digit after decimal. Similarly, you can adding 0 on 10, and similarly the point will shift accordingly. Here 2 digit will shift here. Point will 2 shift. After point there will be 3 digits. 1 2 1 2 3. 3 डिजिट, 1 डिजिट पहले से है, 2 डिजिट और शिफ्ट कर दिया. इसी तरह से यहाँ भी है 0. 2 डिजिट के बाद पॉइंट शिफ्ट करेगा, तो 2 डिजिट के बाद 1 0 बढ़ा दिए और ये थर्ड 8 लिख दिए, यहाँ पॉइंट आपको दे दिए. तो दिस इज हाउ वी हैव डन मेनी एग्जाम्पल्स. हियर 1000, यहाँ 3 डिजिट हो गया, 3 0 हो गया 10 पर. देयरफॉर 3 डिजिट जो है डेसिमल आपका शिफ्ट कर जाएगा लेफ्ट की ओर. तो 1 2 3 डिजिट मोर जो है आपका पॉइंट चलाया यहाँ, यानी पॉइंट के बाद 4 डिजिट हो गया. एंड दिस इज हाउ यू कैन सी हियर ऑल्सो 1 2 3 डिजिट होना चाहिए, जिसमें जो है 3 डिजिट आपका अधिक शिफ्ट कर जाएगा. तो 3 और 1 पहले से है 4 डिजिट, तो 1 2 3 4 डिजिट हो गया. Here we have to divide 101 by 25. I have written 25 4 100, 1 बच गया. अब यहाँ 1 0 बढ़ेगा, यहाँ पॉइंट आएगा. फिर 10 हो गया, 10 भी 25 से लेस है, therefore we add 1 more 0, and therefore we here also we add 1 0, and now it becomes 100. 25 4 100. Thus we have this answer quotient equal to this. Similarly, you have to divide 1217.44 by 18. First of all divide 217. 1 18 3 7 1 बच गया, एक अंक उतरा, 4 उतरा, नहीं जाएगा, कम है, पॉइंट का डिजिट स्टार्ट हो गया, देयरफॉर वी हियर आल्सो पुट पॉइंट। एक जीरो बढ़ा दिए, यहाँ भी एक जीरो बढ़ा, सॉरी यहाँ 4 उतर गया, यहाँ एक जीरो बढ़ा, क्योंकि वी कांट ब्रिंग मोर देन 1 digit from dividend. If we bring it, then we have to add 1 0. Now 18 8 is 144, and this is how quotient is 12.08. Similarly, I have written this example. We have to divide 0.3322 by 11 1 डिजिट, यहाँ पॉइंट शुरू में ही है इसलिए यहाँ पॉइंट से ही स्टार्ट करेंगे। देयरफॉर एक 3 जो है इट इज लेस देन 11, सो देयरफॉर वी काउंट 2 डिजिट एंड वी राइट हियर 1 0। 11 33 0 2 उतरा, 2 फिर भी कम है, फिर एक जीरो बढ़ा है, 2 को नीचे लाए, 11 2 जा 22, and this is your quotient. I have done this also. Here there is 6, it is less than 12, so we have to take both digits, and so we have started to put decimal in the beginning. Now 65, 12 5 is 65, 4 12 4 is 48, 6 बचा, after 0 we can add 1 0 here, so I have added 1 0 and this becomes 60, and 12 5 is 60. This is how quotient is itna. Here I am adopting some different method. You know decimal is very selfish, so we put equal number of digits after decimal in both dividend and divisor. Both. Here after decimal there are 2 digits, but in divisor there is no decimal and there is no digit after decimal. Therefore, I add 2 0 in divisor, and this is and ये point हट गया, 1646 divided by 2 0, ये 2 0 हमने अधिक बढ़ा दिया, यहाँ से पॉइंट को गायब कर दिया। What does it mean? बात एक ही है, इसको हमने 100 टाइम्स बढ़ा दिया, सॉरी 100 टाइम्स बढ़ा दिया, इसको भी हमने 100 टाइम्स बढ़ा दिया, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा। डिवाइजर और डिविडेंड दोनों 100 टाइम्स बढ़ गए, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा, कोशिएंट पर कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, इसलिए कि सेम रेशियो में डिविडेंड और डिवाइजर दोनों को हमने बढ़ा दिया, यानी डेसिमल के बाद हमने बराबर डिजिट कर दिया। कैसे? इसको जो है यहाँ से डेसिमल हटा दिए, इस पर 2 0 बैठा दिए। नाउ डिवाइडेड और डिवीजन यू गेट और 0.823 एज ए कोशिएंट। नाउ कम टू हियर, देयर इज 1 डिजिट आफ्टर डेसिमल एंड हियर देयर इज नो डेसिमल, देयरफॉर we add here 1 0, 10 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दिए तो दिस विल बिकम 192, इसको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिए दिस विल बिकम 800, यानी डिविडेंड और डिवाइजर दोनों को हमने सेम रेशियो में बढ़ा दिया, 10 टाइम्स बढ़ा दिया, एंड दिस इज हाउ दिस वी गेट दिस एक्सप्रेशन। नाउ डिवाइड 1920 by 800, 192 is less than 800. We put 0 here and put decimal here. 2 बार में गया, ये आपका 32 बच गया, 320 बच गया, एक जीरो हमने बढ़ाया. If we put decimal 1 times here, you can add 1 zero in dividend each time. So I have added 1 zero, and this is how this becomes 3200. 2 बार 4 बार में गया, 3200. This is how we have proceeded this. How this division is different to division we have done previously. Here we observe that point is in dividend and divisor both. Adopt same principle. Make equal number of digits in both dividend and dividend and divisor by adding 0. Where we observe there are 3 digits after decimal in decimal, but there is only 1 digit after decimal. So put 20 on 9, and here I have done it. दोनों तरफ से डेसिमल खत्म हो गया. आफ्टर डेसिमल digits are equal after decimal. Now divide this by 900, and this is how you get 10 गया 288. ये 900 है, 10 हमने बढ़ाया, यहाँ पॉइंट आया. 3 टाइम्स गया, ये आपको 180 बचा, एक जीरो बढ़ा, 9 टू जा 900 टू जा 1800, and this is how we have proceeded 0.32. Now come to this problem. Here there are 3 digits after decimal, and in divisor there is only 1 digit. So 2 digits should be added here. So I added 20, and this will become 16578 divided by 5400. Now and omit the decimal. Now there are equal digits after decimal in both dividend and divisor, and if you divide it, you will get 3.07. So this is your answer. This now word problem starts, and these word problems are based on division. ये जो है, you have given length of cloth 45 meter. इतना मीटर long piece of cloth has been given, and one shirt required 1.8 meter of cloth. You have to find out how many shirts can be made from this length of cloth with this measurement of shirt. Certainly number of shirts will be equal to 45 meter divided by 1.8 meter, and I have done it. 45 meter divided by 1.8 meter. As previous, there is 1 digit after decimal in divisor, and there is no decimal in dividend. So I put 10 to make equal number of digits after decimal, and this is how we have 450 divided by 18. On division 450 by 18, we get 25 as quotient, and therefore number of shirts made equal to 25 shirts. Means we can make 25 shirts from 45 meter of cloth with measurement 1.8 meter each shirt. Now come to the question number 12. Here number of bags equal to 37 and this bag contains sugar. Total weight of sugar in 37 bags equal to 3644.5 kg. We have to find out quantity or weight of sugar in one bag. Certainly we are supposed to divide 3644.5 by 37. We observe there is one digit after decimal here, so we should put 10 to make equal number of digits after decimal in both dividend and divisor. And this is how we have 36,445 divided by 370. I have added 10 in 37. Now divide it on division. We get 98.5 and this is the quantity of sugar in one bag. Thus we can write weight of one bag of sugar equal to 98.5 kg. Question number 15. Weight of one bag of cement has been given. Weight of one bag of cement equal to 49.8 kg. This is weight of one bag of cement and weight of cement. Total weight of cement has been given 1792.8 kg. Means one bag of cement is this, weight of one bag of cement is this, and total weight of cement equal to 1792.8 kg. We have to find out the number of bags. How many bags contains this weight of cement? If one bag contains 49.8 kg of cement, certainly number of bags will be 1792.8 divided by 49.8. We observe that there are same number of digits in dividend and divisor both, so omit the decimal and we get that 17928 divided by 498. Now divide it 3 बार में गया. We have 298 as a remainder. Again bring 8 here and I think this will. Now we can divide it. If you multiply by 6, then 6 times here and this is equal to 29888 and thus the number of bags equal to 36. It means 36 bags will contain 1792.8 kg of cement if one bag contains 49.8 kg of cement. Now come to the question number 17 and this is the last question of the exercise 3D. We have given the product of two decimals. दो डेसिमल का प्रोडक्ट हमें दिया हुआ है and one of them is 17.6. उसमें से एक डेसिमल जो है दिया हुआ है, एक नंबर दिया हुआ है. We are supposed to find out the other decimal. Certainly other decimal will be 261.36 divided by 17.6. If you divide this by this, we shall get the other decimal. Now we observe that after point there are 2 digits in dividend and 1 digit after decimal, one digit after decimal in divisor. So put here 10 to make equal number of digits in both dividends and divisor. Now divide this by this and we get 1 बार में गया, ये आपको 8536 ऊपर से उतरा, ये आपको 8536 हो गया. फिर उसके बाद 4 टाइम्स गया तो 7040 and we have remainder 1496. Put here 10 here point. इसके बाद 8 टाइम्स में गया, 8 टाइम्स में जाने के बाद ये 880 आपका रिमाइंडर बचा. 1 0 हमने और बढ़ाया, इस बार में 5 बार में गया. एंड दिस इज हाउ वी हैव प्रोसीड एज 14.85 and this will be value of other decimal. That's all. Thank you. I have taught you about the division of decimal and I think you have a good concept. Now you are in position to complete exercise 3D and this will be your homework. That's all. Thank you.